Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do stained glass nails. This was a custom order and she's going on a trip to Europe. We're going to start off with your favorite base coat and just base coat each and every nail. As our background color, we're going to use this CNC P036. It's super pigmented and it's such a bright color. Do 2 coats on each and every nail. After 2 coats of your background color, now we're going to go in with this foil gel. Foil gels are super thick, so just make sure that you're doing thin layers on each nail. And we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. After curing, we're going to go in with this Mermaid Chrome. I'm going to dip my finger into the Mermaid Chrome and slightly rub the nail, making sure that the chrome really sticks on there. I'm going to lightly dust away any chrome that didn't stick, and I'm going to repeat that process on each nail. Now you're going to top coat each nail and cure for 60 seconds. After top coating, you want a very pigmented black, a neon jelly green, a good liner brush, a very pigmented red, and my customer wanted yellow, so I'm using this Igel Mellow yellow. So I'm going to start off with the black and I'm just going to outline the rows. And if you mess up, it's okay because we top coated and you could just wipe away your mistake. Just go in by doing a couple layers. The petals don't have to be perfect. We're going to go in and color in between the lines with our red. So just take your time with your layers. You don't have to, but I added some leaves. Here you can see me kind of messing up, so just work with what you got, and like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just work with your layers and see what you could do. This is the nail that I'm going to do 2 roses on, one at the top and one at the bottom. So if you have a different shape like coffin or square, you're going to have to go around it because I have a stiletto. I know that the outlines look a little bit crazy, but once we put in that color, it's all going to come together. My biggest tip is when you're using a pigmented black like this, that you cure for 60 to 90 seconds just to make sure that it's really in there and it doesn't smear. Now the fun part, we're going to go and we're going to color it like a little coloring book. Doing each petal, like look at the red, it's so pigmented. The more brighter the color, the more it will stand out. Don't worry if you go over the black, because later on we're going to go over those lines and make it even more darker. Now we're going to make the nails look more like stained glass nails by outlining the nail with the black gel polish. After outlining, you're going to do these little cracks in the window to make it look more like the stained glass. I didn't really have a blueprint, I just put it everywhere that I thought it would look nicer at. This is why I said that at the end you should go over your lines from your first layer. It just makes your layers look more darker in your rows. Lastly, you want a top coat with a glossy top coat. And there you have it, you have your stained glass nails. I hope you love this tutorial. Comment what tutorial I should do next. Bye!